Hey, thanks for joining my channel. This is a really quick, silly Jeep install. I wouldn't even call it an install or a mod. I'd call it just an update. Just something really cheap and easy I found on Amazon that if you want to like do something to your fob, your key fob, so you don't lose it if you're around your home with your buddies all have Jeep keychains and fobs. It's really dumb, but it looks cool. I love camo, as you can see. Watch the video. Comment, as I'm sure you will. Thanks very much for watching. Okay, so this is a really quick install. This just came in the mail. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Oh, there we go. Just a quick little cool little thing here. A little camouflage silicone Jeep protector to go with that. Let's put it in. Let's see what it looks like. These are all like super easy mods. This is nothing. These aren't real mods yet. This is like, whoops, over here. This is like just fun little mods right now. That looks pretty cool, I'd say. Ooh, yeah. Fits pretty good. Nothing too crazy. Let's see if yep, that still works, so that's good. Not that I use a key at all anyways. And you just gotta kind of push it over there just so it fully gets in there. All right, let's throw this on. I don't have nails, so this is gonna be fun. How did I get this in last time? There we go. Voila, there we go. All right, another simple mod just to make your keychain look cooler. Dumb, but nonetheless, cool.